Hey y'all, it's Mary, and I got my Ipsy Glam bag finally. Some months, y'all, I get these things early, and some months I get them late. I don't know how it all works. Blue is right here, of course. I'll tell you real quick what's on my face, because he may sit on it in a moment or two. So on my lips, I am wearing my new Makeup Forever Artist Color Pencil. This is in, I think I remember this name. Where's the color? Wherever Walnuts. It's in Wherever Walnut, that's the color. Oops, okay. Wherever Walnut, that is my lip liner. And then I have on, oopsie, what's wrong with your eye, lovey? He has a little goop in his eye. Then I have Marc Jacobs, this fabulous lipstick, which I love. This is gorgeous. I just could take this everywhere. This is in the color, okay, sit down, Just Peachy. And orange is not usually my thing, but sometimes it goes all right. It's very beautiful, wonderful shimmer to it. And then to add a little extra gloss, I have on Huda Beauty. This is the Lip Strobe, and this is going to be really hard to see. I can find my magnifying glass. Of course not. I see it way over here. You get to see my lips way up close there. It is in the color Angelic. Okay, so that's that one. And that's my lips. Okay. Y'all, the pollen is horrible here. My voice is awful. I apologize. Then I am wearing from ColourPop the Star Wars Mandalorian. The Mandalorian. And this is a beautiful palette. Beautiful, warm, see how my voice is? Beautiful, warm, neutrals, except like this color right here. I tried so hard. This color is gorgeous. If you put it on your finger or swatch it, it's gorgeous. It has a bunch of stuff going on in there, but it doesn't show up on my eyes. I tried every which way. It doesn't show up on my eyes. But this is, can you see the different color? Can you see the different colors in there? There's some orange, there's some green, all kinds of colors in there. Anyway, I can't get it to show up on my eyes. All right, y'all. So let's get to my glam bag. I know you've seen a bunch, so I hope you'll stick around. Oh, always check your bag. Always check your bag, because something might be in there, which is what happened to me last month. So I do have something in there. Okay, all right. This is the bag we get this time. They have given us this bag a few times. It's a nice bag, I like it. This is from Refreshments. And it's very pretty, satin, you know, a blush pink with some yellow flowers. I don't know if you can see that so well because of the glare, but then these cute drawstring. So it is from Refreshments, and there for a long while we got bags with our Ipsy Plus. Smudge Blue just left. So, all right, so in the glam bag, ooh, my card has the information in it. Y'all, knock on wood, I always get the card with the information, so I'm happy about that. So this is July is Passport to Glow. Vacay-worthy makeup, refreshing skincare, transportive scents. And then on the back, it's, you know, the Mega Drop Shop is going on still right now, so you can go check it out. And then they have the coming for August, some things coming for August. And inside this little cardboard is what is in my box. You get 4 items, deluxe size items. I think they're promising 1 full size item. If you choose it, you don't have to choose a full size item if you don't want it. So this is what I had to choose from. There was the palette that I chose. I'll tell you about that in a minute. There was Briogeo hair cream. There was the brand Key Soul Care. I really like that brand. That was a day moisturizer. and Catano Beauty Lip Gloss. And that was in like a tube, and it was sort of clear. It had like a blush color to it. The Briogeo and the Key Soul Care were deluxe samples. There was a Seraphine Botanicals blush sample, Neogen serum sample size, Frank Body Scrub that was, you know, those, they're like a little metal bag with a little twist at the top. There was a sponge, a black beauty sponge by MIA. Now that would be maybe considered full size. And there was Dallas and James brand eye cream, sorry, because he was here for in my mouth. Anyway, so I chose the palette, of course, because I always choose a palette. They say this palette, it's nice, it's wrapped in bubble wrap. They say this palette is valued at $32. So let's check it out, y'all. It looked very pretty. Hello, now comes Camille. All right, Camille. Go on through, baby girl. Okay, let's see. It says Life Beauty Night and Day Eyeshadow Palette. The versatility of this eyeshadow palette is unmatched. It features 6 shades, 4 matte options, and 2 stunning shimmers to create a gorgeous look for day or night, fancy or casual. And it says there's a tip: blend the matte shades into your crease, then pack the shimmer shade on your lid. So this is very small. But you know, a lot of these, you know, they do say are full size. So there is the branding on it, and the color names are on the back. And let's open it. It does not have a mirror or anything. It is very pretty. It's a beautiful neutral palette. I would never pay $32 for this. I could never. If I didn't get this in this box, you know, it wouldn't be a choice of mine. It'll be interesting to see how these shades work. I don't know that I'm gonna even swatch it, y'all, because I have so many similar things. But because this is a new brand to me, you know, it's like we want to know, you know, we probably will get more things from this brand in Boxy and Ipsy to come. I like the box is very nice. So anyway, that's the palette. And then I did get the Briogeo, even though I didn't pick it. I did get that. It is Briogeo Hair Care Style Treat. Style Plus Treat, it says. Yuzu and Plum Oil Soft Power Air Dry Cream. This air dry cream is all about heatless, effortless hair. Okay, so if you're gonna air dry your hair, you put some of this in, and I suppose it will give you some volume and, you know, just tame your hair. So I won't be using this. It helps eliminate frizz thanks to a nourishing blend of ingredients like plum oil and B vitamins. Very nice, so your strands can dry smoothly for a lived-in, touchably soft look. Very nice. I'm sure it's sealed, but if it isn't, we'll smell it. It is sealed, but I can't smell anything. It's a nice, it's a good size for you to try, see if you like it. If you like it, then you can buy it. I can see inside there, and it's full like this. So next up is the brush that we saw outside of the bag. And this is by Neen, N-E-E-N Duo Eyeshadow Brush. So this is, I've seen this brand before. I don't really care for double-ended brushes because I have trouble storing them. So this has a nice full size there. Full, you know, you can get a lot going with that. And then this one is a little bit smaller. I don't know if you can see that. It's hard to see because I'm not going to take it out of the plastic. Now this is a full size too, y'all. So this is $26. This little wonder is exactly what your makeup bag has been missing. The smaller side is key for precision work, like blending out eyeliner or crafting a cut crease. The larger side is perfect for adding a wash of color all over your lids and blending them out for an airbrush finish. So it is a nice thing if you're traveling or to carry in your makeup bag. But when I'm at home, that's when I usually put my makeup on at home. I don't really put makeup on the go unless I'm traveling. This would be great for that. So, you know, I don't know if I'll keep it or not, but full size. Now, okay, so that's $26. And the palette is $32. So this bag costs $14 and then $1.99 for the handling. So, you know, I've more than made my money here. So next up we have Real Chemistry. I have had this before. This is shrink wrapped. So it'll be hard to see, but you'll recognize it. If you can see that packaging, you'll recognize it because we've seen it before. I think we used to get this a lot in Glossy Box. Oops, ouch. This is give your face a fresh start with this creamy cleanser. It's gentle and hydrating enough to be used twice a day. Okay. So it is a cleanser, foaming cleanser. I've had it before. I don't remember using it. I probably have used it before because I know I've gotten this many times. It's nice. It's nice from what I can remember. And then the last thing I got is this Tarte Fake Awake Eye Highlight in Nude. So this says, it's a deluxe sample, you can see by the size, but it's probably a good size. It's cute. It looks like a ColourPop, the way that it is packaged, but it is Tarte. Trust us, this eyeliner went viral for a reason. It's the ultimate trick to fake 8 hours of beauty sleep, even if you only got 4. The no-tug gel formula glides on smoothly to highlight with a brightening, soft nude shade. It even has a built-in smudger to soften your lines. Okay, so let's check that out. Built-in smudger. So, interesting. All right, let's see. This turns up like this. Hey, smudge. Where is this built-in thing? Down here? This is... This is, this is hard to see because it's gold on this, beige color. It says it's had it built in something. So is there something on this end? Did anyone see anybody else open this? I looked at this on Tarte's website. It looks like it does something, but that might just be that it's turning up. But anyway, okay, so this is what it looks like. You're supposed to use this like here. And then it makes you look like you have woken, that like you've been up for a while. Whoa, like you're awake. I don't ever do anything in my waterline because I have weepy eyes. And a lot of times because stuff doesn't stay or it doesn't go on. See, it's awfully hard to do it. Anyway, I got some on. A lot of times things that are meant for the waterline, for me, they don't go on my waterline. But does that eye look brighter than that eye? It itches, immediately itches, because I have trouble with these things. Anyway, I don't know. Ooh, but I will be trying that again and reading more about it. So I've lost the lid. Okay. So interesting. I don't see the smudgy thing. I don't see what they're talking about. Maybe you're just supposed to use it to smudge. See, it's immediately bothering me. So, do I look brighter on this eye than this eye? Anyway, y'all, this is my Ipsy Glam bag. And we have the beautiful palettes. It is beautiful. I will say that. Very, very pretty colors. The Briochio, which, I don't think I'm going to use much of anything here, y'all. The Real Chemistry, this is good for traveling. So... And this I will use. I will put this with my makeup and see if it doesn't help me. And this I'm not sure. I might put this in my travel makeup bag. I might. So y'all, thanks for stopping by. And I'll take pictures and put them on Instagram. Blue is sitting on the bag. Can I get that? No, it's mad at me. This is the bag. Thanks for stopping by and seeing what I got. I'm glad. I hope that you watch, because I know you've probably seen this a million times already. I appreciate it if you're still here. I appreciate you. I appreciate anybody, really. I do. I appreciate my subscribers. I appreciate you if you're watching. If you're watching and you're not subscribed, please subscribe and thumbs up and all that good stuff, and say something. Even if you just leave me an emoji or something, just if you're too shy to talk. I love y'all. Take care and count your blessings. Bye-bye.